Okay, now we back to Foreign's computer while the Denver server is still rebooting. So let's go back to our ISA server. And on the earlier lab, we do try the RPC from the ISA server. But in this lab, we try to disable this to have a clear indication that our RPC over HTTPS is running. So I want you to right click on the rules, select disable the rules, and click on the apply. Next, we need to go to our network object on the web listener to change the authentication a bit. Alright, after the application already done. Okay, so let's expand back our task. Go back into our network object, external web, the 443, right click properties, go to our preference and select the authentication. On the method, the integrated, we are going to disable that. Click on OK. We would like to use the basic authentication. Alright, so it said that the authentication option that you have selected result in password being transmitted without data encryption. It is fine. But we do have the HTTPS, right? So no problem. We click on the OK, OK, and OK. Next, we go to the task. Now we are going to publish a secure web server. Let's give it a name. Publish mail using RPC over HTTPS. We click on the next. So over here we have two publishing mode. Either we use the SSL bridging or we use the SSL tunneling. So if let's say we use the SSL tunneling, in this case the ISA server will not able to inspect our content. If we use the SSL bridging, the ISA server still able to inspect the content. So we select the SSL bridging so the ISA server can inspect. We click on the next. We select the allow on the action. Click on the next. So we are going to use a secure connection to client and the web server. Alright, so we click on the next. On the computer name or the IP address, we use Denver Contoso. Remember that the name over here match the certificate that we install, so be careful about the spelling or else our authentication will not work. So select the forward the original host header, and the path we select RPC slash the asterisk. Okay, so this is the entire URL. Click on the next. Okay, so the public name that we are going to use will be mail.contoso.com, and we use the RPC slash asterisk, the default. Next. Select the web listener. We use the 443. Click on the next, next, and finish. Okay, so as usual, there's some problem with this addition. Now, we already create the rules on the publish mail using RPC. So this is the rules that we have. Right click on the rules, click on the properties. On the users tab, you can see here forward basic authentication credential, basic delegation. The purpose for this check is to allow the user to authenticate once rather than twice. So we click on OK, and let's apply our rules now. Now once the rules has been applied, we can go to the Istanbul to test our configuration. Okay.